So here's a little fall fishing tip for you when it comes to staying warm on the water on those cold mornings. You know, we're talking 20, 30, 40 degree mornings. You need something that you can put on that doesn't feel too bulky, so you're still able to fish and obviously stay warm at the same time. So this is kind of how I go about layering up in the morning. I'll start off with my Whitewater insulated bibs. I'll put that on as well as my big jacket. Now underneath all of that is where most of the magic happens. Prevail pant for me from Whitewater, and then for my base layers I'm wearing the Beacon hoodie, which has the integrated net gaiter to keep me warm. And then on top of that Beacon hoodie, I'm wearing the thermocline jacket, which is one of my favorites. This thing is super light, doesn't even feel like you have it on half the time. And then for my hands, one of the most important parts to keep warm while you're on the water is the wool fingerless gloves. I never leave home without these things. Day in and day out, whether it's 50 degrees or 20 degrees, these are going to keep my hands warm, and most importantly, keep me fishing. It's easy to wear a pair of gloves and have a hard time keeping engaged with that reel and the line and making sure you can feel everything but yet still feel your fingers, and these wool gloves do that trick for me.